Install the guy wire fitting just below the point at which you plan to install the instrument crossarm. Be sure to orient the guy wire fitting so that the smaller guy wire holes extend over the tripod legs, not between them. Secure the guy wire fitting with the bolt and nut assembly from the guy wire kit by slipping it through the holes in the fitting and mast. Tighten this bolt and nut to 23 Newton meters with a torque wrench. Attach the crossarm to the mast with the crossarm bracket. First, attach the crossarm brackets to the mounting plate. Use an assembly of large U-bolts, washers, and nuts from the bag of crossarm hardware to fit brackets to the inner holes of the plate. Leave the nuts loose so that you can easily slide the brackets onto the mast. Slide the bracket onto the mast so that it does not block any of the 3 guy cable holes. Next, use a smaller U-bolt assembly to attach the brackets to the outer holes of the plate. Insert the crossarm through the U-bolt and bracket assembly. Be sure to hold the brackets up so the bar fits between the U and the bracket. Tighten the crossarm nuts to 9.6 Newton meters with a torque wrench.